Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Nasim once again, and today I'm going to show you how you can increase your sales in your Shopify store. So that means this video will be helpful if you are a Shopify store owner. If you are not collecting emails or showing targeted offers, you are leaving money on the table. Okay, so actually I'm talking about the new Shopify apps called Adoric. It's new if you are watching this for first time. Okay, so this is very powerful pop-up and email opt-in tools built in especially for Shopify. It helps you to capture lead, produce cart abandon, and promote a special offer, all without writing a single line of code. Okay, so you can easily design pop-ups using their drag and drop builder and set pieces targeting rules based on their customer behavior. Whether it's first time visitor exit intent or cart abandoners, Adoric let you engage them at the right moment. It integrated tools like Google Analytics, Aweber, Salesforce, Mailchimp. So if you use that, you can easily run email campaign and make more profit. So let me show you the practical view of these tools. Okay, so this is the Adoric pop-up and email pops. So if you search this name on your Shopify app store, you will see that and you can easily install it to your store. And then as you can see, I have added that app in my store and I already made a test pop-up campaign like this. So this is my promo code. I am offering 20% off for my visitors. If you want, you can easily do that. So when your customer will see, wow, that's very fantastic code and this will help me to 20% off, so they definitely will follow your code and they will buy it. Okay, so and another thing that I want to show you, which is free shipping on order over $100. Okay, so this little bar how will help you. Let me show you. Okay, for example, I just add a product below the $100. Okay, and you can see this is only $89, and let's go to checkout page. If I go on the home page and you can see another pop-up will open. This is the actually I am collecting the email from my visitor. For example, if someone subscribe my newsletter, I will give them an amazing offer, gift card, etc. So you can make that kind of offer and you can run campaign for your audience. And let's back to this bar. So this pop-up bar actually telling visitor, hey, if you buy $11 or more, you will get free shipping. How cool is this, right? So this campaign will help the customer to buy more product from your store. So if you have cheaper product, you can keep it $100, and if you have the expensive product, then you can add the budget. And here you can see this pop-up is showing now, enjoy your free shipping. So that means you don't have to pay anything for shipping. So your customer will try to buy the product from your store. So this kind of features you can use it to your store and your customer will convert more. And here you can see this is the camping section. If you log in your Adoric account, you will get this window, and if you hit the plus, then you will see the new camping creation window like this. This is 6 different example to make the conversion. Okay, so for example, this is the quantity breaks. So if you have their bundle app, like they also have the bundle app, so if you use that, then you can make a product bundle and you can offer them to your client like this. So if they're all the separated menu, they have the preview. Okay, so you can try it and use it. This is very pretty cool and I just love it. So I thought this video will be useful to you, so I suddenly found this app and my one of the client are using this and their sales are increasing day by day. So that's why I thought, why not for my YouTube viewers like you. So definitely you can use this tool at last one time, so you can use it for free. You can start it for free, you don't have to pay for using that, and if you love that, then you can easily upgrade that tool. I hope this video will be helpful. So if you found this video was really helpful, then you can subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more video from me, then definitely you can like this video, so because this will help me to inspire more, start more work. Okay, so thank you very much, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.